So where I'm at today is my first stop in part of the famous Richmond battlefield areas. This is called the Battle of Spotsylvania. I think I pronounced that correctly. But right here, coming into this area, is called Muleshoe Silent. "150 yards ahead is the Bloody Angle, perhaps the most hallowed site of the Civil War. Bloody Angle is a small bend in the Confederate works, and it's kind of like high ground and a hollow area on the other side of this. So this is a display as they were talking about the battle here at Bloody Angle. But this is what I wanted to show you. According to this article up here, this is a 22-inch oak tree from the battle that was standing out here. There were so many bullets fired and impacted that it took the tree down. And this tree, they preserved it, and it's at the Smithsonian Institute on display. Bodies piled up in the rain-filled trenches, the living sometimes buried beneath the dead. After the battle, men were found torn by dozens of bullets. One man had 11 bullets through his shoes, the soles of his shoes alone. Another was so mutilated that his friends could only identify him by the unusual color of his beard. That, my friends, happened right here in front of me. What's interesting about the story of the oak tree, where I'm standing, is an oak tree. And obviously by the size of this oak tree, it's huge. So maybe one of the seedlings from the original oak tree fell and grew in the spot where that tree was.